Introducing the new interactive touch display with built-in meeting pad Android system. Available in 55-inch, 65-inch and 70-inch screen sizes, this is the perfect presentation and collaboration tool for the classroom or meeting room. The interactive touch displays use a fully integrated Android system that controls everything, even changing inputs. The integrated meeting pad Android system allows you to wirelessly mirror your display from any Windows, Android, Apple mobile device, laptop or PC directly to the screen. You can also wirelessly file share to and from any Windows, Android, Apple mobile device, laptop or PC. Annotate over any Office documents, web pages, images or videos and save this as a separate file. You can even annotate over external input sources. The interactive touch displays come with a free Smart Pen, allowing you to navigate through presentations, save documents, and change the annotation pen color more conveniently. There is space for an optional OPS PC to run Windows. This enables seamless integration into existing networks. Easy access front ports allow for quick and easy access if you do want to connect your laptop physically. There are also rear inputs for more permanent connections. The interactive touch displays have a lightweight, sleek design with a thin profile, achieved by using a segmented aluminium enclosure and a molded polymer rear. The interactive touch displays with built-in meeting pad Android system really are the next step in the evolution of presentations, meetings, and lessons.